Hi there, Math 30-1 student. Just going to explain what happens when you have actual negative values in front of the function and see what happens.
From each transformation. Label the invariant points. In part A, we'll draw the graph of y equals negative f of x. The negative in front of the function means multiply all the y values of the graph by negative 1. In other words, we are reflecting the graph about the x-axis. Begin by multiplying all of the y values by negative 1. Next, connect the dots to complete the graph. In a reflection about the x-axis, the invariant point lies directly on the x-axis. The invariant point for this reflection is 3, 0. In part B, we'll draw the graph of y equals f of negative x. The negative inside the function means multiply all the x values of the graph by negative 1. In other words, we are reflecting the graph about the y-axis. Begin by multiplying all of the x values by negative 1. Next, connect the dots to complete the graph. In a reflection about the y-axis, the invariant point lies directly on the y-axis. The invariant point for this reflection is 0, negative 2. In part C, we'll draw the graph of x equals f of y. X equals f of y represents an inverse graph. Swap the x and y values of each point on the graph. This will reflect the graph across the line y equals x. Begin by swapping the x and y values of each point. Next, connect the dots to complete the graph. In a reflection about the line y equals x, the invariant points lie directly on the line. This transformation has two invariant points, -4, -4, and -2, -2.
Okay, hopefully that solves any problems with this concept of negative values for your function. Happy learning.